Not sure whether the important data inside your multi-sheet Excel workbook can be recovered after deletion? With RecoveryFox AI's enhanced preview feature, you can check your Excel files before recovery with confidence. It allows you to preview XLSX files directly inside the preview window and switch between different worksheets, such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and more, to verify whether your important data is still intact. Hi, I'm Rico, and in this video, I'll show you the complete process of scanning, previewing, and recovering deleted or lost Excel files with RecoveryFox AI. Before starting the recovery process, here is an important tip. To maximize your recovery success rate, stop using the drive immediately after the data loss occurs. Any new files written to the drive may overwrite the deleted files and make recovery much more difficult or even impossible. Now, launch RecoveryFox AI. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from our official website, wonderfoxrecovery.com. Once RecoveryFox AI opens, you'll see a clean and beginner-friendly interface. Simply select the original location where your deleted Excel files were stored. Then click Scan to start searching for lost data. RecoveryFox AI first performs a quick scan to find recently deleted files. After that, it automatically continues with a deeper AI scan to search for more recoverable data and reconstruct files from the drive. During scanning, you can expand the file path or file type categories to check scan results in real time. Files found through Quick Scan often retain their original names and folder structures, making it easier to locate the files you need. You can also pause the AI scan at any time and preview discovered files before the scan is complete. For files found through AI scan, the original file names and folder paths may not always be available because the software reconstructs data from file fragments. However, you can still locate your files using filters such as file type, file size, and modified date. In some cases, AI scan can analyze file content and generate predicted file names, providing additional clues to help you identify the correct files. To preview a file, simply click the eye icon next to the file. RecoveryFox AI supports previewing many common file formats, including Excel files such as XLSX, XLS, XLSM, and XLSB, as well as documents, images, camera raw photos, videos, audio files, web files, and professional formats like CAD drawings and PSD files. For Excel recovery, the preview feature is especially useful because you can view the entire workbook structure before recovery. As you can see, RecoveryFox AI lets you switch between different worksheets inside the preview window. You can also scroll through the spreadsheet vertically to review the content from top to bottom and confirm whether the workbook contains the data you need. Once you verify the file, simply select it and click Recover to save it to a safe location. Again, never save recovered files back to the original drive, as this could overwrite other recoverable data. Once recovery is complete, let's open the recovered folder in File Explorer. And as you can see, the Excel file opens successfully. That's how you can recover deleted Excel files and preview multi-sheet XLSX workbooks before recovery with RecoveryFox AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more practical data recovery tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is RecoveryFox AI, and see you in the next video.